So today we are going to discuss some Arduino Uno microcontroller based programs in which we will discuss the programs that are facilitated to the O-level course, that is O-level M1 R5 Internet of Things and in its applications. So, and the program description video will be available at HIMANSHU-SINGH Educationist 7700. For the O-level course by NILIT, we are going to discuss our IoT programs, Arduino programs, in which our first program is write a program, write a program in Arduino to blink LED, that is light emitting diode on Arduino with the with the delay of delay of 2 seconds. Okay, this will be our program in which we will have a setup function. So in the sketch we will have, or this program will be saved with .ino extension. So first we have to define our pin. Okay, so we have a keyword that is const, const int, then variable name, that is our pin number, which is 13. So we will define our pin number 13 of Arduino, that is digital pin 13, to connect it with the anode part of the LED, that is anode of LED will be connected to the pin number digital pin 30. Okay, and the cathode of pin will be connected to cathode of pin cathode of LED will be connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Any ground pin of Arduino you can connect the cathode pin. How can you differentiate between the anode and cathode? The anode will be of longer leg. The longer leg of LED is the anode part, that is positive, and the shorter leg is known as of LED is known as cathode. Okay, so we will have a setup function in Arduino, setup function, and a loop function and a loop function. Okay, and the return type of the setup and loop will be void. The return type, this function will return nothing, so we'll have void in the return type. In the setup function we have to initialize our pin to the pin mode through pin mode function, that is pin mode function, and our pin number 13, so LED pin number, it can be defined as LED pin. Okay, so this will goes to the parameter of pin mode function, first parameter, and what you want to perform through this pin number 13. So we want to perform an output, so we will give the input parameter as output, and pin mode LED pin will behave as output, and loop, in loop function we will write a digital write function. So digital write function, and digital write function में parameter will be 13 pin number, and what it will behave, so it will behave as high state. The digital write 13 comma high, and a time function delay, we will use a time function delay function in which milliseconds are passed, so we have to blink this LED for 2 second on. So we have to give here 2000 because 1000 ms millisecond equals to 1 second. Okay, and as it is digital write digital write pin number 13 now will behave as off state. So digital write 13 low, and it also gives with the delay function. Delay function will behave for 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds, and this is the program for the LED pin, LED blinking with a delay of 2 seconds, and LED will be initiated to the LED pin, that is pin number 13. Now, if you want to run this program and simulate it in our Arduino, then just like we have a walkv simulator. Now go to my projects and new project Arduino Uno, clear it out and just paste it constant LED, that is pin number 13, and int LED. Now if I want to add this to also, control C. Now we had defined a LED pin variable, that is pin number 13, and void setup. In void setup method we have initiated a pin mode function which will give the output for pin number 13 LED pin, and in loop function we have used a function digital write which will be initiated and with a delay of 2000, and which will be off with a delay of 2000. Now we will add a LED, and in this LED we have the anode pin which will be connected to digital pin number 13, and the cathode will be connected to any ground. Okay, now if I want to run this program, then LED pin, LED constant LED pin equals to 13. Okay, here also pin number 13. This will simulate the LED blinking program for the delay of 2 seconds. Okay, so this was our first program for O level NILIT course IoT. Thank you.